There you go there guys, pretty pumped about our new sound system we've just made. So these are like sound docks, range of like speakers and amps. This setup's for the Mitsubishi Triton. So I think 2018 to 2024 it'll like cover. It might do the earlier ones and it might also do the Pajero Sports. We'll confirm that like later on. But basically what you have in the kit, it's all pretty much like plug and play. You've got a front direct replacement speaker set. So we get rid of the old rubbish like factory ones, which to be honest, you'll see them when you take them out, or you'll see them in the install videos we have for these. They are fairly low quality, and that's just when they like sort of build these cars. They sort of build them, obviously it's a utility, right? So they build them like fairly cheap, and the speakers are like sort of minimum spec and costs for sort of what they can get away with. So in the front, we put in a new like woofer down the bottom. That's pretty awesome. And we put a new tweeter in the top and a little crossover box. All this plugs into the factory wires, so all you pretty much have to do is remove the door skin and it goes on. So that's your front speakers taken care of. In the back, you've got two speakers in the rear doors. Again, just 6.5 inch coaxials. So that's where the tweeter and the speakers all in one. Again, pull the door skin off. You've got direct replacement, so they just twist into the factory gasket spot. Super easy to put in. Again, the plug plugs straight in. So that's your front and rear speakers done. Now, that's pretty much your like stage one. If you just want to upgrade your like sounds like a bit, that'll take care of it. If you want to go a step further, you can add in our like micro DSP amp, and we'll actually preload that with a DSP tune done in this car with that like speaker set. So now you get a DSP tune on that like micro amp. So like DSP is just a little chip that processes the signals inside the amp. Quality sound isn't created by big power, it's created by actually a good chip processing the sound and having a proper tune done where it understands each frequency and where the driver's like sitting. So we've done the proper tune on that, so you can get that as well. So that would be stage 2. Stage 3 would be you go and add our underseat subwoofer in as well, and that actually plugs into the micro amp as well. So the micro amp actually with the DSP is controlling all the speakers and the sound. That has our tune package on it. That underseat sub has its own like amp, so that's self-powered. The amp to install the amp isn't too bad. It's a few hour job. Passenger seat that comes out have to run a wire from the battery. Again, we have an installed video of that and we will explain it to you. Not too bad to do. So that'll give you underseat sub, new front speakers, new rear speakers, and a DSP tune, and it sounds awesome. That'll work with any aftermarket head unit, and to be honest, we haven't got it to work with the factory head unit, but we could, because the amp cable we use is just a piggyback cable that easily sort of piggybacks off our connection, but we could actually also build that to the factory radio. So if you do want to keep the factory radio and upgrade the sound system, factory radio needs a crap, so I'd assume you wouldn't want to, or head unit, you can do. If you have a different brand of head unit, chat to us, because we can probably just get a adapter cable for you to get the plug and play amp to work. If you're not using the amp and you're just using the speakers in or the sub, you can use it with any setup, even the factory radio, it doesn't matter. So you get the factory radio, you can put the speakers in. If you've got the factory radio, you can't put the sub in. If you have any aftermarket radio, you can put the speakers in and the sub. Super easy, you can just run it off the pre-outs coming out of the head unit. And if you want to use the micro amp with our DSP tune on any other radio aftermarket one, chat with us. If we have enough demand, we can create the cable kit and sort it out. So that's about it. Okay, you can check out all the install videos. Everything just is in the factory spots. It sounds awesome. I would love to. The quality is great. I can't even tell you how good the quality is, but it's just it makes no difference if I try and show the quality on a video, because it just sounds the same coming through the video. So, but if you love your music and you want some better sound quality in your car and you have this Triton, this is the upgrade for you.